Hello students, good evening and welcome again to this special video which is meant for the students who are going to appear in the competitive exams for medical entrance, and most importantly is NEET, which is going to happen very shortly. So other exams will also follow. So there are some important MCQs which I wanted to discuss or revise once again from the chapter human health and diseases. So some diseases are very dreaded and questions come from these diseases like chikungunya, dengue, etc. So questions can be like, which of the following is the primary vector responsible for transmitting dengue virus to humans? The options can be Aedes mosquito, B. Anopheles mosquito, C. Culex mosquito, D. Ixodes tick. So the first one is the right answer. You will agree that is Aedes mosquito is a vector for dengue to humans. Second question can be, which of the following is a severe form of dengue fever? Dengue fever can be of several types. So the options are here. A is dengue hemorrhagic fever, B is dengue shock syndrome, C is dengue encephalitis, and D is dengue meningitis. So encephalitis is very dreaded because it affects the brain, and that is why the options C is the right option, that is dengue encephalitis. Now the third question is, chikungunya virus is mosquito-borne virus responsible for periodic and explosive outbreaks of a febrile disease characterized by, options are A. prolonged polyarthritis, B. gout, C. rheumatoid arthritis, and D. psoriatic arthritis. So the right option is prolonged polyarthritis. It is because whenever you come across with a chikungunya patient who had chikungunya, will continuously have this polyarthritis. All the body aches will be there, or pains will be there all through the body, in the limbs. So that is what is called the prolonged polyarthritis, and it lasts for a very long period of time. Okay. Another important questions can be, chikungunya virus was first identified in the United Republic of, options are A. Tanzania in 1952, B. Angola in 1950, C. Ethiopia in 1952, D. Ghana in 1950. Which is the correct option? The first one is the correct option, that is Tanzania in 1952. Okay students, when we come across other important questions like this, it can also be like this. During which period of illness can chikungunya virus be directly detected in blood samples using tests like RT-PCR? The options are A. first 24 hours, B. first 3 days, C. first week, and D. second week. So the correct option is C. first week. In the first week of illness, chikungunya virus can be directly detected in blood samples using RT-PCR tests. Okay. See, these other questions can be, which of the following statements is incorrect about dengue virus? Statements are there, you have to pick one, the incorrect one. See, always be careful whether it is written correct or incorrect. Not correct, incorrect, these are very tricky words which are there in the questions. So you have to be careful. You have to read these questions very, very carefully. Here it is incorrect. Which is the statement is incorrect? A. Dengue is a positive sense RNA virus. Dengue is a SS positive sense RNA virus. B. The virus spread through mosquito bite. C. It is roughly spherical in shape. D. Viral application starts in the RBCs of the human. So this is the wrong statement. Viral replication does not start in the RBCs of human. It starts in the salivary glands of the vector. Viral replication starts in the salivary glands of the vector. Okay. The other questions, important questions in this section is, which of the following scientists credited with the first isolation of the dengue virus? Who isolated dengue virus for the first time? The options are A. Jonas Salk and Albert Sabin, B. Ren Kimura and Susumu Hota, C. Edward Jenner and Louis Pasteur, and D. Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur. The correct option here is Ren Kimura and Susuma Hota. Okay. The other questions are, chikungunya virus belongs to which family of viruses? Which family of viruses it belongs to? Options are A. Flavivirdi, B. Togavirdi, C. Buniavirdi, and D. Orthomyxovirdi. So the option is B. Togavirdi. Okay. So another question is, which of the following statement is not correct about chikungunya infection? Number of questions I am discussing about chikungunya because some can feature. This is very important topic in diseases and very dreaded disease with complications. Okay. Which of the following statement is not correct? Again here it is not correct, but about chikungunya infection, chikungunya infection, what is not correct? A. There is no specific antiviral drug treatment. B. The most common symptoms are fever and joint pain. C. It is characterized by an intense joint pain. And D. Chikungunya virus enters the target cell through contact invasion. So this is not correct. It enters the target cell through receptors, receptor mediated endocytosis. It enters through endocytosis, which is receptor mediated. So these are the important questions, students, which I wanted to again revise and discuss. And like other questions can be, which of the following events triggers conformational changes in chikungunya viral envelope proteins during endocytosis? The options are increase in temperature, B. changes in pH, and C. activation by cellular enzymes, and D. interactions with host cell receptors. The correct option is changes in pH. So these changes in pH triggers conformational changes in chikungunya viral envelope proteins during endocytosis. These are the changes in pH. Which of the following is the initial step in the dengue viral replication process? A. Fusion with the cell membrane. B. Attachment to a human skin cell. C. Endosomal formation, and D. Hijacking normal cell processes. It is the option B. There is attachment to a human skin cell. How does the dengue virus exploit a normal cellular process to gain entry into a host cell? Options are by disrupting the cell membrane, B. by inhibiting endosome formation, C. by hijacking endosomes for cellular entry, and D. by inducing cellular apoptosis. The correct option is C. by hijacking endosomes for cellular entry. Okay, students, so be worry free, and whatever the questions are there, you just give a thinking and answer them. Don't give wrong answers because negative marking is there, as you all know. Chronic tobacco abuse is significant risk factors for which of the following diseases? A. Alzheimer's disease, B. Diabetes mellitus, C. COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and D, osteoporosis. The right option is C, COPD. All the smokers invariably get the COPD at some part of their life. So this is the right option. Question 4. Which of the following is strategy to help individuals quit tobacco use? A. Nicotine replacement therapy. B. Avoiding social support. C. Morphine replacement therapy. And D. Cocaine therapy. The first one is the right option. Nicotine replacement therapy. Which of the following is a common symptom of nicotine withdrawal? Which is the common withdrawal syndrome for nicotine? A. Increased heart rate. B. Decreased appetite. C. Headache. And D. Euphoria. C is the right option, that is headache. The last question in this video is, how does nicotine affect the cardiovascular system? A. It decreases blood pressure. B. It constricts blood vessels. C. It reduces the risk of heart disease. And D. It increases HDL cholesterol levels. The right option is B. It constricts blood vessels. Okay. So that leads to COPD because blood vessels are restricted. So blood supply will be hampered. Okay. So this is all I wanted to discuss in this video. And again, I will suggest all of you that don't be worried, don't have any kind of extra tension. Just go into the examination hall, and all the rules and regulations you need not study or know beforehand. All will be, there will be instructions and there will be guidance in the examination hall. You need not bother for that. Just only thing you have to do is to concentrate on the paper, on the question paper, and to answer them correctly. Okay. So I wish everybody, all of you, a very, very good luck and the very best to all of you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Good night.